Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, a small channel update tonight. I'll go through many things that happen and decision I've taken to better the channel, I think. Okay, and we'll talk about that. A couple of things I'll be showing you just for show while I'm babbling. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Well, tonight it's a cup of coffee with the video. It's one of those Black Rifle Coffee Company, which is a Canadian branch. This one, Canadian as F, everyone knows what it is, A, which is one of their strongest coffee. I've got also a Just Black coffee. I like it. I've tasted the Canadian as F coffee. That's what I have in my cup. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like hard coffee, rough coffee, so it's pretty good. So if we come back to the update, that's my friend from Tactor Tacticals, Kevin, that you've met at another shop that started his business. So Tactor Tactical, I want to make a shout out to him at the same time. Excellent coffee. Hard to find the guy, but yeah, when you find him, it's a nice guy to deal with. Let's go back to our business, will you? Well, LT Survival's been doing pretty much knife review, like this one's coming up, like other knife that you've seen featured last weekend. This one and this one. Okay, these are for entertainment value tonight. So at this point on this video, the objective of the channel has changed a little with the demonetization, and also realized that producing 2 videos a week, one in English and one in French, even though it's the same video, it's time consuming. Shooting the video is not that bad. I can do a 5-minute video in about half an hour here. At home I can do a quick video in my backyard, which serves the purpose of the demonstration or something like that. Don't need to be in the middle of the wood to show you how to do a feather stick split wood with a GSX, for example. Okay, you will do it in your backyard, and you should. At one point, if you want to practice techniques, you want to do that straight into a safest environment possible, close to home, and not being on survival to be able to test stuff. You can put yourself in survival later, so that's one point. And also the new way I'm going to bring out the video is probably once a week. What's changed? Well, it's going to be once a week for English, followed the next week with the same video in French. The reason being that I can process the video, uploaded it, and I've started using last two videos, I started using the feature of schedule release from YouTube. Why didn't I do that before? I don't know. Always run on the Sunday trying to find time to upload the video. Why not upload it when it's already being processed? And I'm going to be testing probably a Vegas Suite video processing, which should bring the quality of my videos a little up. That's an investment I have to do. Changing computer, losing the access to the old computer. I love this city. Changing computers and having to buy a video processing software. I'm going to choose software that I'm going to be comfortable with for a long time. So I'm probably going to go with Vegas Suite right now. It's available many levels. I'm going to trial a version first and then buy the full version. So that's going to come. You're going to see a change. My old computer is getting old, and it's long. A 5 minutes video can take 2-3 hours to process, even if I only leave it to process. So I want to make sure. Why my lights flash? It shut down. For what? Okay. Had a little technical difficulty with my lamp. Where was I? Oh yeah. So I'm going to be buying a new Vegas Suite to process the video. The whole computer is pretty much done. I still play with both computers. I haven't transferred not much yet to the new one. Still using the old one. It has to be done, so it's going to come in the next week or two. The other reason for why I will spread my video once a week in each languages, so 1 week one languages, the other week the other languages, is to gain some momentum, to have some material preset to be released ahead of time, so that way I'll have time to produce more significant video, should I say. If I want to make a production where I'm gonna have to take close up of something there, then do the video there, and then go to a third place or something to add up to what I mean, let's say for a navigation lesson. Well, all those three will need time for me to be on the field or to be doing it. So I need to gain time to get those cuts, and maybe I'll get more than one at a time if I have survival video to prepare there and a navigation video. I can use the field to do both, and then use either the props and close up to complete what I need for the video. And also when I'm gonna run when I'm gonna view what I have on the screen, maybe sometimes I'll find out that what I want to show you doesn't show at all, so I need to bring in another cut, so I have time to redo those. Like a movie, yeah, like a movie producer, I'll have time to redo the things, make new cuts, and add on to the video. Still aiming to do capsule. When I say capsule, is less, around 5 to 10 minutes of video to which you can cut in and use only what's really useful for you. And that's going to be difficult. Subject can be lengthy. I could do hours and hours speaking on just navigation, teach you a whole course in 5-6 hours in a row, but that doesn't make for good video. It makes for a take on a conference or live, but that's not a good way of doing videos. So it's gonna be, it's a long process. I have to plan a little more on my video, not just do them one take as off of my head as much as possible. With if I want to give you good info and concise, precise, and direct, I'll need to jot down a plan, and that also takes time. So that's why I'm going to spread out my video over weekends. If I gain enough momentum, I might change that. I might change it to Sunday, Wednesday, for example, for the same video to be released in English on Sunday, Wednesday in French. But that's not for now. That's going to be further down the road when I have maybe 10 video in queue to be ready to be released. then it might be worth it to schedule them differently. Change the schedule release, Sunday, Wednesday, and so on. So that's something I'm going to think about eventually, but I'm going to make up more video. I want to make up more video that will be in queue in YouTube, ready to be published, and just let them publish themselves. So that's going to ease my pain also, because when I'm done with the video, I can make all the info. That's quick, it's easy. I've already have the video in my head. I see exactly what it is, and I don't have to think, okay, what did I want, what did I put in it, which I should put in the description, so which link I'm missing, because sometimes I forget to put links, and you should remind me if you watch the video. So how long is that video? It's already 12 minutes with the lamp. It's gonna be cut to maybe 8. So we're gonna cut down this, give you a last look of some of the new knives. Yeah, the JessX, the original JessX. I've got it. I wanted it since Chris Tanner brought it out, and Jesus, I wanted that knife, but then it went to a bad production. Yes, both hands, 2 knives, 2 HX Outdoors that are coming into review. I've worn those a lot, well, a while, and I'm drinking a pretty good coffee. So thanks for watching the update. Please leave your comment down below. It's anything that could help me give you better video. I always take comment, even though sometimes, even if you say that my video are crappy because the resolution I chose, because the program gives me only one resolution, is wrong, well, let me know, because for one, I don't make the difference very much. Second, with the new program, I'll be able to pull out the resolution I should be getting. So, sorry. Have a good one. Give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe again. It's always good. We'll see you in the next video.